For me, Dior is about strength, especially with Maria Grazia at the helm. She's all about the strength of a woman and helping kind of create clothes and pieces that bring out and really represent that strength.
Mr. Dior was very fascinated about the garden. The reference was her mother, but that was true also for her sister, Catherine. And after the horrible Second War, when Catherine came back to Paris, she started again to cultivate rose, and she became the first woman that could create a business with flower in French. So the idea is to do a show that is an homage at the figure of Catherine Dior, and like she was brave, she was a businesswoman and also really independent. We are the garden of our world, so we translate in the collection with the print of the garden that are not traditional flower, but we choose more spontaneous flower.
The artist alcoholizes the flowers onto the fabric so that the color soaks into it. The petals saturate the fabric. It is the soul of the flower which permeates through the material. Magnificent. There was nature, all the trees will be replanted in Paris. We are very attentive to the environment, to all that is sustainability, and the clothes, I have no comments to give. They are so beautiful. It's great.
Just beautiful, just spectacular. And the setting they decided to do it in was just amazing. It felt like very ethereal, felt very like woodland nymph, but it just complemented the clothes so well.
We see some elements of artisanal work in the collection. I think that Maria Grazia is constantly thinking more beyond just fashion.